Do you ever get the impression that about half the people that vote do it because they think it's a way to get a cool sticker? Me either. Cob Tuesday. I'm sticking to the rules today, so stop with the hate mail. Smoking my Washington. Have some Robert Lewis tree mixture. Good stuff. Good stuff. Sorry, I'm leaning on the table and it's moving. Burned a hole in the tablecloth. Super expensive plastic kind. It was to catch pumpkin carvings, so. Anyway. Voting. This is all I'm going to say about it. Okay. You need to understand the history of what affords you the right to vote, and understand the importance of that vote. You may not think your vote matters. Voting matters. You may be like me, a person who votes in a state that votes the exact opposite on everything, and my vote by and large doesn't matter. But voting matters. And you need to understand why, and then go do it. So that's all I got to say about that. That's not all I got to say about that. California's ballots. This year, there were 3 pages, like 11 by 17 pages. I mean, they were big tri-fold out, heavy-duty cardstock kind of things. 3 pages of candidates and issues. I think there were probably around 45 to 50 different things that we had to vote on. This is where voting matters, okay? I would be willing to bet body parts that 90% of the people that voted in this election spent a grand total of 5 minutes going over that ballot. No possible way to be informed about what you're voting for unless you put a little time and effort into it. It's simply not possible. So you owe it at least to yourself to be informed. But you really owe it to the rest of us to be informed as well. So that's all I got to say about voting today. Hey, I have a question. Does anybody out there have any empty, good condition, usable condition Zippo lighter cases? I don't care necessarily if they have a design or anything on them. The plainer the better for me. If you have one, if you have two empty Zippo cases with no lighter to put in it, I will trade you one empty Zippo case for one brand new Zippo lighter without the case. Because I replaced mine with the pipe inserts. And when you do that, Zippo just sends you the pipe inserts here. So I have 2 extra lighters, but I don't have 2 extra cases. So if anybody wants to trade, we'd both have a new lighter. Let me know. Especially if you got something cool like a Vietnam era case. But really anything. I'm not picky. As long as it's not unicorns and flashy stuff. I'm not interested in that too much. But so if you got something cool and you want a lighter, and this lighter literally might have been lit one time just to test it out. I don't know. I can't, to be honest, I can't tell if it was burned or not. But it hasn't been used more than once or twice, if at all. I've got 2 of them, so the other one may have been used. And I doubt I've even retooled the wick in it, so the wick is probably all bundled up here. I usually take them and spread them out all through the cotton in there, so you might have to do that if that's something you're into. Anyway, let me know about that. Meanwhile, I'm using a Bic to light mine. Because I'm out of fluid. You gotta acquire a hazardous materials permit to buy a lighter fluid in California. I'm just kidding. But it's not far off, I bet. Alright, so that's about all I got to say, I think. Just a quick video. So, happy sticker day. Everybody have a good one. Take it easy. Enjoy your pipe. Ignore the hype.